Hi, I'm Marna and I have Happy Mail. Thank you to Crafty Girl Darla's Doll Sanctuary. If you don't know Darla, you should go by her channel. Darla has, Darla is the luckiest. She and Ray 7 are the luckiest people I have ever seen in the Goodwill. Darla has found some fantastic dolls in her Goodwill. She also crochets and she does all kinds of crafts but she can crochet. I think she can make a human-sized Afghan in about an hour. Let me tell you, she's incredible. She has a fun channel. She and her husband, she used to have her husband in her videos more often. Oh wow, oh wow. Wait till you see what I did get. Darla, thank you. Oh my. I'll bet she found, oh, there's two. Oh, Darla. Look at this. That is gonna go on my patat horses. Oh, my American girls, thank you. And my Blythe, thank you. That will go on a smaller Briars. I bet that'll fit the, what do you think, Allison? The classic Briar? This is leather. This is leather and sheepskin. These are hard to come by anymore. And it's got the suede in the Western saddle. Do you know why they put suede right here? It is really not for your comfort. It's so it grips your pants. Oh, Merry Christmas to me from Darla. Oh, I love it. Cute card with teddy bears. Oh, the saddles. Hi, Marna. I hope you can use these patterns and enjoy the saddles. Darla. Crafty Girl, Darla's Doll Sanctuary. Thinking of you and wishing you a very Merry Christmas. You sure are. Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh, wait till you see what's in here. Oh, when she said patterns, that's with an S. Oh, look at this. And the pattern does not look cut. Oh, gosh, this is for a 17-inch doll. This will fit, I'll bet you, my 17-inch Barbie. And she is due to come down and get an outfit. Now, whether it's this one or not, that's an awful lot of work right there. And right now, I won't be doing it, but I will later. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this one. Little fortune teller gypsy outfit. I'm looking here to see what size this is for. We'll have to open that up and see. Oh, Darla, these are fantastic. This is for a 23-inch doll, but I can tinker that down, and I'll bet if I tinkered it downward and outward, that would fit an 18-inch doll. That is fantastic. Oh my God, you really fell in the jackpot. Oh, this is for a 15-inch German doll. Let me move these over a little bit. There's a lot here. Darla, thank you. Okay, this one, let's pull it up a little bit so I can read it. There was a sticker on there. This is for a 19-inch Southern Belle. Oh God, that's gorgeous. Let's see if the hats are in here. How to reduce or enlarge a pattern. Okay, do you remember in some of my advent calendars, I was telling you to save your wrapping paper, that patterns can come on graphs. If you draw this on the back of that graph paper, depending on the size of your squares, you can change the size of this. Like I could take this and that looks Blythe size. But if I were to put this on larger squares than these are, you know, about half again to twice as large, I'll bet that would fit my chubby Blythe doll. Darla, I love this. Thank you. Oh, and there's more. Oh, I'm so glad they're on craft paper. Oh, look at this. You can't find these anymore. This is a Vogue pattern. Oh, that is fantastic. Look at that. You could change this to a Renaissance. You know, use that for your pattern to make a Renaissance dress. And then, oh, speaking of Renaissance, check it out. Oh, I can't wait to pull these open after this video and see what all we did get. Oh, look. Speaking of Renaissance, oh my goodness, there's more. Look, 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 look. More Renaissance outfits. Darren and I have been going to Renaissance fairs, and I've been taking a Blythe along just for the fun of it. And we went to one, was that Kansas City, where they said that a Blythe had been there the week before? Mm-hmm. Someone was there with their Blythe doll the week before. Oh my goodness, Cleopatra. Let's see what this looks like. Shoes. Oh, wow. Darla, Darla, Darla. This is fantastic. Open this up. Yep, shoes. Yep. How cool is this? I cannot thank you enough. I gotta tell you, you had me at the saddles to add this. Oh, thank you so much, and I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. I always say, when somebody sends you a Happy Mail, it's like a hug in a box. It really is. You know, Darla's in Texas and I'm in Missouri, and it's like we just hugged one another. Thank you so much. Go by and visit Darla's channel. We will leave a link in the description below. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe on both of our channels.